Cozy Yarn Corners. In today's class, we will be discussing about the crochet basics absolute for beginners. So what you need all the items for the crochet. First thing you will need a crochet hook, as I have a crochet hook of 4.00 mm. So first you will need a crochet hook. Second thing you need is a yarn. I have a yarn in purple color. Third thing you need is a pair of scissors. And the fourth, last one thing you need is stitch markers. I have not the exact stitch markers because the real stitch markers are very small, but I can't find them, तो मैंने यही वाले कलरफुल सेफ्टी पिन्स यूज किए हैं. ये भी उन्हीं का काम एक तरह अच्छे से करते हैं. So these are the four things you need for your to start crochet. First is crochet hook, yarn, pair of scissors and stitch markers. Now we will discuss about how to create a basic chain. First of all, we have to make a magic ring. Just like that I'm showing you. First of all, take the yarn, round it along your two fingers and make a cross like that. Now, insert the crochet hook in the first line, then pull out the second second line from it. I will show you again how this works. First of all, take the yarn and make a cross on your two fingers. Then insert crochet hook into first line of cross. Then pull the second line from the crochet hook. This is your magic ring. So we have insert a crochet hook here. So now to start a chain, we have to hold the crochet hook like that, and in the one finger we just keep the yarn. So to make the first chain, we have to round the crochet and pull up the yarn. I will show you again. Round the crochet and pull up the yarn. Just like that. आपको क्या करना है? आपको सबसे पहले जो yarn है उसको अपनी loop के अंदर अच्छे से fix करना है. Then just pull out through the loop in which is present on your crochet hook. Now again pull up the loop from the crochet hook. Now again we will do the 10 chains. Here how to mark the chains. The chain, how to count the chains means 1 chain, 2 chain and 3 chain. We will have to make the 10 crochet chains. So it's 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6, 7, 8, and then 9 and 10. This is the basic chain of the crochet, and this is the first step of to learn crochet. To just tying up it, we have to just pull out the loop which is present on the crochet and cut it out from scissors and pull up the two strands of the crochet and just tying it up. So this is how the first chain look like. So for today class, this is the enough.